If you're covering bathroom upgrades or home improvement gear, the Artiqua Freestanding Tub Filler is a visual and practical upgrade for modern tubs. It's a floor-mounted tub spout with a single handle and an included hand shower, typically finished in brushed nickel or oil-rubbed bronze on many reseller listings. The key selling points are the elegant freestanding design, adds a sculptural element beside a freestanding tub, the hand shower convenience for rinsing and child bathing, and the solid brass or brass tone construction many resellers advertise. In a filmed walkthrough, focus on the faucet's floor mount footprint, the hose length for the hand shower, often listed around 150 cm/59 inch, and the single lever control feel. Those visuals assure buyers the unit will fit and function the way they expect. Customer reviews for these third-party freestanding fillers tend to be mixed in a predictable way. Shoppers praise the look and feature set but call out the need for professional installation and occasional fit/finish inconsistencies between batches. Pros: striking aesthetic, included hand shower, reasonable price for the style when on sale. Cons: installation is not beginner-friendly. Floor plumbing must be precisely set, and some buyers report minor alignment or finish variation issues depending on the supplier. If you film an install or unboxing, show the parts, the floor anchoring base, and recommend professional plumbing fitment unless a buyer is experienced. That saves returns and bad reviews. We share by links in description box.